Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. Today we will discuss about the interest and equivalence in this engineering management and safety. We expect that after we completing this module, we should be able to describe the interest and its equivalence related to our engineering course. Economic decision making problem fall into three categories. One, for fixed input situations, maximize the benefits or other output. For example here, fuel price is fixed. If we have situations that for fixed output, we try to minimize the cost or other inputs. For example, that the phone price is almost stable. That, for example, the Samsung phone, the Sony phone, the Huawei phone. Okay, and then the third one here, where input and output vary, we try to maximize benefits over cost. For example, the control of commodity price, the fuel, the precious metals, and also the food. Computing money is based on our cash flow. Cash flow will have uh, a few concepts there. The first concept is if we have your benefits or receipt, we will have a positive number. If we have a cost or disbursement, or we call to that we use all money, we got a negative number. So if we summarize the flow of our money over a time, we will see that either we use our money in a negative way, negative number, or we gain money in a positive number there from zero, year of zero here to a period of 1 year up until probably at 5 years. Let's see in this simple cash flow diagram here. You will use your money at first year there, 1000, and then at the end of your period 2, you will get back your money 100 there. And then at the third year, you use back your money 150. And then at fourth year there, you use another 150 of your money. And then at year 5 there, you gain back your money 50 ringgit here. Why we need to know our money based on time? Why we want to know our value of our money based on time? If we consider our cash flow diagram, we have year 0, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. You will see that our money has value. Our money also can be leased or rented. All this we call it as interest. For example, if you put 100 in a bank at 9% interest for one time of period, you will receive back your original 100 plus 9 ringgit. How people consider this? There is two different interests that we can consider to be count. One is simple interest. The second one we call it as compound interest. The first interest we call it as simple interest. This interest is computed only on the original sum or principal. Let's see the example. The total interest that we earn is I equivalent to P multiplied by I multiplied by N, where the P is the present sum of our money, I is the interest rate, and N is the number of periods based on years time, not months, not day, not weekly, years time. Let's see the example there. If we have 100 ringgit as your present sum of money today, and we save our money using a financial institution based on 9% of one period years of time, 9%, and we're saving our money in 2 years time, or we call it in 2 periods of time. So if we multiply this 100 ringgit to 9% to 2 years time, we will see that we can gain 18 ringgit Malaysia based on our 100 ringgit. So if we summarize based on our cash flow diagram there, our P is 100 ringgit, our N is our 2 years time, our I is our 9%, and the total interest earned 18 ringgit is our probably we call it as a future value there. And then if we calculate the future value of our loan with the simple interest there, we'll see that an amount of money due at the end of our loan there is depending on F, or future value, based on the calculation of P multiplied by 1 plus I multiplied by N years there. F is the future value, P is our present sum of money, I is the interest rate, and N is the number of periods of years there. Let's see the example. We saved 100 ringgit previously, and then we multiply it with 9% of interest rate with 2 years time. We will see that in the future our money will become 118 ringgit instead of 100. Now our money will become 100 ringgit. If we compare our future value here to our cash flow diagram, we will see that our present P is 100 ringgit. Our F there is unknown. We can calculate. After we calculate at N years there, we will see that our money will become 118 ringgit. In summary, money can be estimated its future by simple or compound interest. Thank you.